Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter presentation of data, that is kind of table. According to the purpose, the kind of table are generally divided: general purpose table, special purpose table, and according to the originality, original table and derived table. And according to the constructions, simple, or we can say one-way table or complex table. Complex table further divided into two-way table, means double table, triple table and manifold table. Now we first discuss the table according to the purpose. According to the purpose, there are two kind of table. General purpose table, it is that table which of a general use. It does not serve any specific purpose or specific problems under the consideration. Such table are just the data base use of research for their various study. These tables are generally attached to some official report like the census report in India. They are also called a reference table. Next, special purpose table. Special purpose table is that table which is prepared with the some specific purpose in mind. Generally, these are the tables that are presented in the form of result of analysis, and that is why these tables are also called summary table. Now, according to the table originality, there are two kind: original table. Original table is that table in which data are presented in the same form and manner in which they are collected. And derived table is that in which the data are not presented in the form or manner in which these are collected. Instead, they are first converted into ratio or percentage, then percentage, then table according to the constructions. First, simple one way table. A simple table is that table which show the one characteristic of data, that is table 2 below the example, so that there is a it show the number of student in a college, means classes 11th, BA first, BA second, BA third, and number of student 200, 180, 60, and total 440 is the example of the one way table. Next, complex table. The complex table is in which the show more than one characteristic of data. On the basis of characteristics shown, these tables may be organized further. Classify two-way table. Two-way table is that table which show the two characteristic of data. Means the table number 3 show the number of student different class according to their sex, and two-way table जैसे classes 11 boys and girls and total number of students. Next, table table. A table table is that table which show the three characteristic of a data. For example, table number 4 show the number of student in a college according to the class, sex and habitations, means where they are live, and rural area or urban area, or they are divided into boys and girls, and total. Next, manifold table. Manifold tables is one which show the more than three characteristic of data. Table 5 show the example. Here we can see the classes 11, BA first, BA second, BA third, and rural area married, unmarried, urban area married, unmarried, and for the boys, and for the girls, rural area, urban area, married, unmarried, and married, unmarried. Here you can see that more than three characteristics of data. Thank you.